Codes are the representation of the information in a particular format. These codes may include alphabet, number and symbol which can machine and man can recognize. All computer recognize the machine code. The basic property of the machine code is binary in nature. The different type of the codes are used to transmit and to store the data efficiently. The all computers understands the machine code. Computer recognize binary data, so all the informations are in the form of the binary number 1 and 0. The combination of the 1 and 0 in a particular format is known as a codes. When your information is transmitted from one point to another point, there is a possibility of getting error during the transmission. Therefore, the error detecting code and error correcting codes are also used in a digital communications. The basic codes, different type of the codes are these are the different type of the codes used in a digital communications. There are some codes are mentioned here: weighted codes, self complementary codes, unit distance codes, alphanumeric codes, error detecting and error correcting codes. The example of the weighted code is a BCD. This is called binary coded decimal code. It is also known as a 8421. Another codes are also is known as a BCD codes that you study in later. This is one example I am giving you. The weighted code is, the example of the weighted code is BCD. It is 8421. Self complementary code is also used. The XS3 code is also is a example of XS3 code is an example of self complementary codes, unit distance codes. The gray code is an example of the unit distance codes. Alphanumeric codes, already know about ASCII. The ASCII's code is example of the alpha numerical codes. Error detecting, error correcting codes is used to correct the error, to detect and correct the error. Parity and Hamming codes are known, is used. Now I am discussing BCD code. BCD code, or it is known as a binary coded decimal code. In a BCD code, each decimal number is represented by its 4-bit binary number. In a BCD code, each digit of a decimal number is represented by 4-bit binary code. The valid BCD code I am showing you in the tables. This is decimal numbers and its corresponding BCD code is shown in the table. These are known as a valid codes. These codes are not valid. This I am showing you. This is called unvalid BCD codes. This is known as unvalid. It is not valid. This is your valid codes. With the help of BCD codes, you can do the addition and subtraction. See, I told you in a BCD code, each digit of a decimal number is represented by 4-bit binary. Means, suppose you want to write BCD code of the 12. The BCD code of the 12, if you want to write, then this is decimal numbers. Then 2 is represented by its 4-bit binary and 1 is represented by its 4-bit binary. So this is the BCD code of a decimal number 12. This is a BCD code of a decimal number 12. So each digit, listen the word, each digit is represented by its 4-bit binary. Each digit is represented by 4-bit binary. So you want to write the BCD code of the 15, then BCD code of the 15 is nothing but you can say, for 1 I should write 0001 and for 5 0101. So BCD code of the 15 is 0010101. And its binary code, this is the BCD code, and binary code of the 15 is 1111. So from this you can say that BCD code is not so efficient as binary. Reason is that BCD code requires the more space and more times to transmit compared to the binary. I think you understand how to write BCD code of the 25. Then BCD code of the 25. For 2 you have to write 0, 0, 1, 0, and for 5 you have to write 0, 1, 0, 1. Let us discuss BCD arithmetic. BCD arithmetics. First we will discuss the addition. Let us see the different step or algorithm. Let us see the different step or algorithm for the BCD addition. First step, each digit should be written in its BCD representation, or the decimal number should be right in its equivalent BCD. Second, add to BCD with the binary addition rule. Third, if result is less or equal to 9, that is 1001, then it is called valid and it is your answer. 4. If result is greater than 9, then it is invalid. Add in this result 0110 to get correct answer. To get correct answer. Let us see some numericals so you get more idea. What is the first step I have written? The digit you have to write, the decimal digit you have to write in its equivalent BCD. The decimal number which is given to you for the addition is to be written in its equivalent BCD. Add the two equivalent BCD. If the result is less than or equal to 9, then it is called valid result, and that is your answer. If the result is greater than 9, then it is invalid. In this invalid result, you add 0110 to get correct answer. Let us see the first numerical, 5 plus 3. So, for 5 is BCD code, you know the BCD code of 5. 0101, BCD code of 3, 0011. Do the addition. I am doing the addition. This 0 carries 1. This 1 plus 1 is 10, 0 and carries 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carries 1. This is this. So this result is valid result because it is less or equal to 9. Okay. So this is your valid BCD. So answer is 1000. That is 8. Now let us see the second. 5 plus 8. Okay. So for this I am writing BCD code of 5, 0101. BCD code of 8, 1000. This is 1, 0, 1, 1. This is more than 9. So it is your invalid BCD code. Invalid BCD code. See, this is your more than 9. Invalid BCD code. So I have to add 0111 to correct. This is, sorry, I have to add 0110 to get correct result. So 1, 1, 0 carries 1, 0 carries 1. So my answer is 10011. You have to write your answer in a 4-bit. So this is your 4-bit 0011 and this is your 4-bit. So remember, the BCD is nothing but the 4-bit binary. Each BCD is 4-bit. So this is your 1 and this is your 3. So your answer is 13. Let us see one more. 7 plus 9, 16. So BCD code of 7 is nothing but the 0111. BCD code of 9, 1001. Do the addition. 1 plus 1 is 0, carries 1, carries 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carries 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carries 1, 0 and it is your 1. So this is your invalid BCD code. So in this invalid BCD code, I have to add 0110 to get the correct answer. This is invalid. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. to get the correct answer. Now it is a 4 bit. So this is your one, this is your 6. So answer is 16. Let us do another number. 15 plus 24. You will get 39. Right? So BCD code of 15 is, for 1 I should write, here is 0, 0, 0, 1. For 5 I should write 0, 1, 0, 1. BCD code of 24. For 2 I should write 0, 0, 1, 0. For 4 I should write 1, 0, 0, like this. And let us do the addition of this. 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, carries 1 here. So it is 1. This is your 1. This is your 1, 0, 0. So this is your valid code. So it is a valid code. So answer is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. You have to see both the results. Both the results should have a valid code. So it is a valid code. So I am writing, this is your answer. It is your, this is 3 and this is your 9. 19 plus 22. So it is your result is your 41. So let us check. So BCD codes for 19 I am writing. For 19 I am writing 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. For 22 I am writing BCD code of decimal number 22, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Let us do the addition. I am doing the addition. This is the addition of these two. I am writing here 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is your invalid. This is your invalid. You can see here. This 4 bit is more than 9. CDC not valid. So to get the valid, here I have to add 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is your 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is a valid code. This is your valid. This is valid. This is unvalid. So for this unvalid, I am adding here 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0, carries 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carries 1, 1 plus 1, 0, look here, 1 plus 1, 0, and carries 1 here. Carries have taken to the next number. 1 plus 1, 0, carries 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carries 1. This is 1, 0. So this is your correct answer, 4, and this is your 1, so it is 41. Remember again I am discussing. You want to add the 19 with 22 in a BCD arithmetic. So I have written the BCD of 19 is this, you already know, means 1 I have to write in a 4-bit binary, 9 I have to write in 4-bit binary, 22 again I am doing addition of this, individual addition, and this I am looking, this 4-bit should be less or equal to 9. If it is less equal to 9, then it is called valid. This is more than 9, so it is invalid. This is less or equal to 9, so it is valid. So in this I am adding the what? 0, 1, 1. So once you add here no need to add, I am not adding. So once carry is generated here, so carry I have taken here. So carry I have taken here. Okay. So now you can see in this way you can solve the numerical. Let us do the another 2. This is your 7 and 2. Let us do the addition of 91 and 81 with the help of BCD form. This is for 91, BCD of 91 I am writing. This is your 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. For 9 I have written this. For 1 I have written this. For this is for 9, this is for 1. Now for 81, BCD of 81 number is nothing but you can write 1 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 1. If you do the addition here, so this is 0 carries 1. Now do the addition of this 4 bit 1 here, 0 0. This is your 1 plus 1, 0 carries 1. This is your valid. This is your unvalid. So in unvalid, this I have to add 0 1 1 0. One, 1, 1, 0, 1. To get the correct answer, I am adding this in a unvalid BCD. BCD is a 4 bit. Here you are getting how much? 5 bit. Right? So I am adding this. So your final answer is 0 1 1 1. This is 1. I have put here to make a 4 bit. So this is your 2, this is your 7, this is your 1. Answer is your 172. Let us add 191, 171. So I am writing BCD code of 191 and BCD code of 171. For 191, 0 0 0 1. For 9, I am writing this. For 171, 0 0 1. This is your 0 1 1. This is your 0 0 0 1. 1 plus 1, 0. This is already you know. This is a valid code. This is a valid code. Remember. One plus 1, 0 carries 1. 1 plus 1, 0 carries 1. 1 plus 1, 0 carries 1. This is 0 and carries 1. This is not valid. This is not valid. This is not valid. Here I am taking this carry to the next number. This is not valid. I am taking this carry to the next number means here. This carry I am taking here. Here whatever carry is here, that carry I am taking to this next one. Now 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, it is 11. 1. 1. 0, 0. So in this is your not valid. So to get the correct results, I have to add here 0, 1, 1, 0. So your answer is this is 3, this is your 6 and this is your 2. The answer is your 362. Look again. I want to add the 191 plus 171. So what I did, I have written the BCD code of 191. I have written like this. BCD code of 1, BCD code of 9, BCD code of 1, 9 and 1 I have written. And BCD code of 171 I have written. Then we did addition. Here you see by adding this you are getting a 5 bit. Okay. So 1 is carry is here. That one I have added here. And this is a invalid. This is your invalid. So this is your invalid. So that's why this carry is generated I have taken on the next number, to the next number, to the next number. And this is a invalid, so I have added 0110, 0110, that is 6. Okay. Now this is taken here. You know the addition. This is a invalid, so I have added here 6. So you get your correct answer. 917215. Let us do the addition of 917 plus 215. BCD of 917 is 1001. This is 0001, 0111. For 215, BCD of 215, 0010, 0001. This is your 0101. Let us do the addition. This is 0 carries 1, 0 carries 1, 1 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11 carries 1. You can say this is a invalid. This is your invalid. This is 0 carries 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. This is also invalid. So I have to add, this is valid, this is valid. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. I have to add here 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Let us do the addition. This is 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0 carries 1, 1 plus 1, 0. This carry, these I have to take here. So this is 1, this is 1, 0, 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0 carries 1, 0 carries 1, 0 carries 1. So it should be in a 4 bit. So this is your 4 bit. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. For this I have to make it 4 bit. So your answer is 1, 1, this is 3 and this is 2. So your answer is 1132. Look here. I want to add 917 plus 215. I have written the BCD of each decimal number. You know, per one decimal number require 4 bit binary. So n decimal number require 4n bit binary. See, one decimal require 4 bit. So 3 decimal number require 3 multiplied by 4 means 12 bit binary number. If you are in a n number decimal number, n digit of decimal number, so it require 4n bit binary number. So I have written this is, now this is invalid, valid, invalid. Here I have add here, so you are getting 5 bits. So this, now once to get correct answer, we get your bind this carry, the carry I will take to the next number. This is your correct. So this is you are getting a carry here. So carry I am getting to the next one because this is a correct. So here to make it 4 bit I have added 3 0. So in this way you can do the BCD addition. For your practice you can do at your home 111888 for your practice. This is your 303 plus 504. 3 you can write 7 plus 3 4 you can write. This is your 5 plus 7. Okay, do the BCD addition. All these 5 I will put in a Moodle platform for true and false questions. Here is your end of the lecture.